Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margrette. If you're new here, please do make sure to subscribe below by tapping on that subscribe button. From red, it will turn gray once you've successfully subscribed, and tap on that notification bell so that you'll be aware of new uploads. If you're watching this from Facebook, don't forget to hit that like and follow button. Today, I'll be sharing my review of two products that were sent to me, but I'll be making one video for each. So first, we'll start with the Beauty Blast. So the Beauty Blast is a whitening power cream and it's a 30 ml bottle. Okay, the ingredients are not really indicated on the bottle, but I'll be sharing them to you since it was sent by our client. Shout out Beauty Blast for sending me a sample to try it out for a week. So the Beauty Blast, this product has stearic acid, which serves as our skin protective barrier. It also has coconut oil, which has antibacterial properties. Coconut oil also serves as antiperspirant and helps in evening out the skin tone. It also has dimethicone, according to them, is for smoother and softer skin. It also has glutathione as a whitening agent, and lastly, it also has coffee bean extract, which serves as its fragrance. Now let's talk about the benefits of the Beauty Blast. It reduces dark spots, lightens the skin in whichever you'd like to apply it. So for me, I applied it in my bikini area because it's really my concern area. And because I love water sports like swimming and free diving, I can't avoid wearing swimwears like bikinis. So that's actually one of the body parts that people look at whenever someone's wearing a bikini, the bikini area. So that's my concern area, and that's why I tried this Beauty Blast out in that specific area. It nourishes the skin. It also helps in reducing sweating. It helps in removing dead skin cells, and it's suitable for all skin types. For the week that I used this one, I was able to observe that it leaves a powdery foundation-like finish on my bikini area where I placed this one. It's non-sticky and it smells great. Okay, so it dries quickly as well. So if you're trying to look for a product which can whiten your bikini area perhaps, try this Beauty Blast out. They have a Facebook page where you can purchase this. They also have Instagram. If you're looking for a product which can whiten your siko, your kilikili, your underarm, your bikini area, or anything which you feel that needs whitening, try Beauty Blast out. I'm pretty sure you will like it because there was a certain part in my bikini area which has dark circles due to there was a time before where I sat down on the ocean floor and something bit me and that became a scar. Luckily, the Beauty Blast was able to help me with that concern. So if I were you, why not try this out? It won't hurt to try this product out. So again, if you wish to purchase this, look for Beauty Blast in Facebook and in Instagram. So guys, that's going to be my very short review of Beauty Blast. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share this video if you want to share it with your friends. No lies were given in this video. All my reviews are honest. If you have watched all my previous vlogs, all my reviews are realistic and facts. So thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for your support. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and follow my page to see more of my videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, lovies. I hope to see you in my next vlog. Bye!
One, two, three, funky.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.